Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today the weather very beautiful. The wind is blowing so fast and rain also here. And the cyclone Biparjoy is expected to landfall between 4 to 6 p.m. today. And you can see here the wind is blowing so fast, but at the evening wind speed will increase about 80 to 90 kilometer. But this time with weather very beautiful. You can see here. I am enjoying, and this man also here. And boys are playing cricket and enjoying weather. They are playing cricket or any weather. And here we take the shelter from rain. This place is very safe, and you can watch outside from here. The rain. So how is this? This place is very best. How is this? If you want to learn this thing, you should have to subscribe my YouTube channel.